When a house's windows need to be furred out into the siding plane because the house has a ventilated rain screen, the flashing details can be tricky. So today we'll walk through the steps to ensure an airtight and waterproof window installation. In order to connect the window rough opening to the outside zip sheathing, we used our cut-offs from cutting the window opening to create a window buck to connect the inside and the outside airtight seal. So next we add a beveled sill piece to the bottom of the window, and we do this to direct any water that gets inside the window assembly back out into the ventilated rain screen. In my case, I have a lot of cut-offs of zip sheathing, so I took a piece of zip sheathing, ripped it to the width of the window, and then on the inside I added a 1/4 of an inch rip of a 1x4 to give myself the bevel and the pitch going out into the ventilated rain screen. Our next step is to flash the window rough opening and connect it to the exterior rain screen. I've chosen to do that with zip tape. We have it here. It's good continuity of material. We're using the zip sheathing everywhere inside the rough opening. And what this tape will do is help direct any water out into the rain screen, completes that seal, also gives us our airtight rough opening for the window.
Flashing the window rough opening is all about giving water a direct path into the rain screen space. This can be achieved easily with zip tape by following the standard installation process of overlapping seams and rolling the tape. The zip tape can also be used to flash the vulnerable inside corners of the window buck.
Our next step is to add this 1x4 framing around the perimeter. This is the same material we're making the rain screen out of, and this is what is going to bring that window out into the rain screen plane. To complete the rough opening, we use the zip tape again to flash the rough opening to the rain screen 1x material. Our next step in the process is to install the window assembly and to shim it in the opening and make sure that it is plumb level and square. So the final step on the exterior of the window install is to tape the window fins to our 1x rain screen material. I only tape the sides and the head to allow water to drain down our pitched sill, but to help keep wind-blown rain from getting in, I add a counter flashing to the bottom and just tape it to the bottom fin, but not taping it to the rain screen. If you were in a coastal area, you might want to use stainless steel for this. I happen to have this plastic material left over from another install and chose to use that material instead. The final step on the interior of my window installation is to use a pre-folded air sealing tape. This tape I learned about in a passive house training class. I think it's a really great way to ensure that you have a very airtight window install by giving you this extra layer of air sealing protection on the interior as well as the exterior.